In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with GoHighLevel 2026. By the end, you'll have Stripe connected so you can accept payments, track transactions, and simplify your billing right inside your GoHighLevel account. This is a quick setup, and I'll explain what you're seeing along the way so it's clear and stress-free. Start inside your GoHighLevel dashboard at the location where you want payments to flow. From the left-hand menu, open the Payments section. This is your home base for anything related to collecting money: products, invoices, subscriptions, and settings. If you don't see payments, you may not have the right permissions for that location, so check with an admin. Also, make sure you're working in the correct location if your account has more than one, since payment connections apply to the location you're currently viewing. Once you're in Payments, head over to the Integrations area. This is where GoHighLevel lists the available payment processors and related tools. You'll use this view anytime you need to manage or review your payment connections. It's also helpful to glance at the status here. When Stripe is connected, you'll see a clear indicator, which makes it easy to confirm everything is live without digging through settings. Now look for Stripe and click Connect. When you do, GoHighLevel opens a secure Stripe authorization window. This is where you allow Stripe to share payment processing with your GoHighLevel location. Simply follow the on-screen prompts from Stripe to complete the authorization. Take a moment to confirm you're connecting the correct business in that window, especially if you manage multiple accounts in Stripe. After you approve the connection, you'll be taken back to GoHighLevel, and you should see Stripe marked as connected in the Integrations view. That confirmation means your checkout pages, invoices, and funnels in this location can now process payments via Stripe. If the Connect button doesn't open the authorization window, check your pop-up blocker and try again. If you see a permission warning, you likely need admin access for that location. And if you're not seeing Stripe appear as connected after approving, refresh the page to update the status. That's the whole process. Open Payments, go to Integrations, and click Connect on Stripe, then Authorize. With Stripe connected, you're set to take secure payments and manage everything in one place. Thanks for following along, and feel free to replay any section if you want to double-check what you're seeing on your screen.